Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you the protocol if you are facing that your keyboard on your laptop or on your PC is not working. So first of all, you have to check your connection. Make sure if you are using the external keyboard, make sure the connection is already connected. The USB or any connection to your CPU must be connected. And then the second one, the standard protocol is you have to restart your computer. Just restart your computer and then let's see if the problem would be solved. And then the third one is you go to Windows Update. You navigate to setting, and then you find Update and Security here. Windows Update, and then wait a minute. Oh, sorry, you don't need to go to your setting. You just press on start on your Windows button and then you find keyboard trouble or find and fix keyboard problems. So you just click this one and you just follow the instruction and then hopefully your keyboard will be normal again. And then the next protocol, if still you couldn't find your keyboard running normally, you update your driver. So you just press start and then find device manager like this, and then you find keyboard. It's supposed to be listed here, and make sure you already make sure your keyboard is listed here. If not, it confirms that your keyboard is not connected to your computer, so make sure the connection or maybe the hardware is the problem. So if you find your keyboard here, you just press right click and then update the driver one by one. Make sure all of them is you updated. And then the last thing you have to do, this is the last thing you have to do. If you still found your keyboard doesn't working, I suggest you to find a new keyboard or you go find from the service center. If you are using laptop, it's supposed to be some cable disconnected or maybe perhaps the hardware problems. So that's it, the standard protocol of keyboard not working. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.